Good morning, student. We are going to start revision. I have completed exercise 1.2 and 1.3 of revision. Now see some more question of chapter 1 for revision point of view. Question number 1, you see, if HCF of 65 and 117 is expressible is in the form of 65m minus 117, find m. So 65, that is 5 into 13, 117, 3 into 3 into 13. So HCF is 13. Now this HCF is in this form. So 65m is equal to 13 plus 117. So it is 130. So 130 upon 65, that is m is equal to 2. Second question, you see, the largest number which divides (70) and 125, living remainder (5 and 8) respectively. Find the number. So remainder is 5 and 8. So numbers we will take 70 minus 5, that is 65, and 125 minus 8, that is equal to 117. Now we will find the HCF of 65 is 13 into 5. 117 is equal to 3 into 3 into 13. So HCF is 13. Therefore, largest number is 13. Third question, if two positive integers a and b are written as a is equal to x power 3 y power 2 and b is equal to x y cube, find HCF and LCM. So a is x cube y square, b is x y cube. HCF is highest power, the lowest power is x in y's lowest power is y square, and LCM is highest power is x3 and highest power in y is y3. So x3 y3 is the LCM. After next question, after how many place of decimal one four 587 upon 1250 is terminating. So 14587 upon 1250 make the prime factor of denominator, that is 1250. 5 2 ja, 5 5 ja, 5 5 ja, 5 10 ja, 5 2 ja. So 2 into 5 power 4. Here is 5 power 4, make it 2 also in power 4. Multiply by 2 power 3 and divide by 2 power 3. So it will be 14587 upon 2 power 4 and 5 power 4. So it will be 8 7 ja 56, 8 8 ja 64, 64 and 5 69, 8 5 ja 40 and 6 46, 8 4 ja 32 and 4 36, 8 1 ja 8 and 3 11 upon 10 power 4. So it will be 11.6696. So after 4 place of decimal, it is terminating. Question number 5. Three into 5 into 7, prove that 3 into 5 into 7 plus 5 is composite number. So 3 into 5 into 7 plus 5, taking 5 common, 3 into 7 plus 1, it is 21 plus 1, 5 into 22, 5 into 2 into 11. It has 2 or more factor. So 3 into 5 into 7 plus 5 is composite number. Last question, you see it. Prove that root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Let root 3 plus root 5 is rational, then root 3 plus root 5 can be written as in the form of r. Squaring both sides, root 3 plus root 5 whole square is equal to r square, root 3 square plus root 5 square plus 2 into root 3 into root 5 is equal to r square. So root 3 square is 3 plus 5 plus 2 root 15 is equal to r square. 8 plus 2 root 15 is equal to r square. R square minus 8 and root 15 is equal to r square minus 8 upon 2. So r square minus 8 upon 2 is rational, but root 15 is irrational, which is contradiction. Our supposition is wrong. Therefore, root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. हाँ जी.